afternoon, students. Last class we have studied retirement of partners. The retirement of partners, Indian Partnership Act 1932, Section 32(1). The adjustment of require on retirement of partners. The retirement of partners is 6 different methods. Distributions of accumulated profit and reserve and losses, revaluation assets and liabilities, determinations a new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio, adjustment for goodwill, adjustment for current year profit and loss, update the retirement. Next one, settlement of the amount of retirement. For already first 4 sum I fully explained, easy. Dear students, questions first you read 1 or 2 times. Today we are learn about sum number 6. John and James and Raja are partners in a firm sharing a profit and loss equally. Listen students, you underline. Firm sharing profit and loss share equally. The balance sheet of 31st March 2019 is as follows. Listen students, lost sums only, adjustment only questions. 3 adjustment being increasing value of building or decreasing value of the asset. That content only 2, 4 or 3 or 4 questions only. But now asset and liability show a one balance sheet. Asset and liabilities. The adjustment figure you compare to liability and asset. Compare to balance sheet. That comparison amount only you enter the journal entry. Okay. First one, machinery is valued 1,30,000. Machinery is valued 1,30,000. But already the balance sheet is a machine is how much? 1,40,000. The comparison is how much? Revaluation account. What? Increasing or decreasing? Decreasing value. Decreasing the value of asset means revaluation account DR. Concern asset account CR. The machine comparison value is 10,000. Okay. Next, office equipment 2,000. Office equipment you check one or 2 times. Only brought down the value of 2,000. You enter 2,000 only. Already office equipment 70,000, but you brought down, you mentioned brought down 2,000 only. Next one, provision for bad and doubtful debt increasing 3,000. Increase in 3,000. Already provision for bad and doubtful how much? 2,000 is how much rupees? Compare 1,000 rupees only you enter. The total value of revaluation is 13,000. Decreasing the value means concern asset revaluation account DR, concern asset account CR. Next one, next investment. Investment is 25,000, not recorded in the book of recorded below. Now 25,000 is investment recorded. Investment account DR. Revaluation account concern asset. Investment is asset only. Investment account DR. Revaluation account CR. Narration. Unrecorded the investment brought into account NF. This 2 entry. The adjustment is 4. The adjustment is NF. Next one, you revaluation account. You write revaluation account. Revaluation account double side page only, dear students, double side paper only you use. One side dr, another side is cr. You write first one, revaluation account is which side you write? Dr side. Dr side revaluation account means you write dr side. Downwards words only you write. Downward what? Machinery, office equipment and provision bad and loud doubtful debts. Okay. Next, investment is how much? Second journal entry, investment account DR, revaluation account is CR. Revaluation is CR means you enter by investment account 25,000. Okay. Enough 3 journal entries you enter. Next one, the double side, both sides is equal only. The balance sheet account both side equal only. But this side, CR side is 25,000. But this side only 13,000 only. You, some value is different. Different means you highest total minus lowest total means how much amount you insert the DR side. How much this side, DR side what? 25,000. CR side 25,000. CR side is how much? 13,000 only. You both side 25,000 means how much you insert? 12,000. But 12,000 is question. 12,000 only is profit on the revaluation transferred. Profit and profit. But profit means this side. Listen students, the question top what? The firm sharing a profit and share equally. Equally means what? Both triple partners is share equally. The 12,000 means 3 partners, Johns and James and Raja is 1/3 partners means 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. 4,000 is equally shared. Okay. The you lost final, you some places leave it the journal entry. You write revaluation account DR, partners capital account CR. Last only, final only you enter the revaluation journal entry. Okay, listen students. DR side you are balancing adjustment figure is adjustment. You DR side means profit. That CR side some adjustment figure means form is loss only. Okay, next listen students. The both sides of DR and CR, both side how much is answer? 25,000. But this side DR side only 13,000. You enter, you fill the 12,000 balancing figure. That balancing figure is both triple partners is share equally. Share equally means 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. That ratio only equal 4,000. Next one. When received, the value of assets and liability are not shown in this book. Under this method, the asset and liabilities are shown on their original value and not at the revised value of the book and in the balance sheet, which is prepared immediately after the retirement of partner. The net result of revaluation and adjusted through the capital account of partner. Net result revaluation, adjust the capital account. Adjust the capital account means what? Some balanced figure, that is adjustment figure. This sum is how much is adjustment? 12,000, that is partners capital account. The memorandum of revaluation account, which is a temporary account, is opened when the received the value are not to be shown on this book of account. Okay, listen students, very easy only. You first you write journal entry means only you lost sum, only you journal means 3 question only you write journal. But this sum You compare to balance sheet. Compare to balance sheet means automatically increasing value or decreasing value is how much. Is easy to assume, but that value right in journal entry. Next one, you finally third journal entry, you leave the some pages. That page only you fill after the revaluation balancing figure identified. That time only you write the journal entry DR or CR. Okay. Okay, thank you students. Next class we will discuss next one new topic. Listen students, today two links. The two link is very important. Listen students, some students absent means some, please listen these two videos, everybody watch clearly. Okay, thank you students.